Mark and Caribe, you mentioned Indian Bend Wash. We are right down the street from there. We're at Indian Bend and Hayden. We're right across the street from the McCormick Ranch subdivision. And in this parking lot right now, it is easier to find a tree that isn't damaged than to find one that is, because the trees that are damaged are everywhere. Some of these trees have been completely uprooted. Some of them have been snapped in half. Mother Nature came through here on Thursday night and really did a number. And when Scottsdale was just getting fixed after Thursday night, more storms came through on Friday. And in fact, near the intersection of 68th Street and Indian School, lightning did strike a house while an 83-year-old man was inside.
My wife said our house has been struck by lightning.
From the outside, this home near 68th Street and Indian School looks fine.
This is the house after the fire and after the firefighters extinguished the fire.
Step foot inside, though.
Well, this is the house.
And you can see it's far from fine.
All of the sheetrock and plaster and insulation is now on the ground here. The roof rafters and the roof sheathing, it's all charred.
Just after noon on Friday, lightning struck the roof. Peter Marshall and his wife Lindsay own the home, but they rent it to a man in his 80s. The renter's remote control and sunflower seeds are right where he left them when the lightning hit.
He was sitting right there watching TV, and he said he was blown off of the couch. He thought a plane had struck the home.
The renter told Marshall that Scottsdale Fire was on the scene within 10 minutes.
They're coming, more.
Quickly putting out a fire that had begun in the attic. Do you see anything in here that can be salvaged?
I don't.
Marshall and his wife have owned the house since 1996, and he says they plan to rebuild. What do you think of the idea that a bolt of lightning actually hit the house that you own? Is there some why me going through your head?
It's incredibly ironic.
Now back here quite a bit north and east of where that happened, you can still see plenty of damage. I mean, look at this tree. It was completely snapped off, and half of it is somewhere else over in the parking lot. Now, as far as that house goes, Peter Marshall and his wife believe that insurance will help them to rebuild the home, but they're more concerned for their renter. And Marshall told me that he and his wife have offered their renter a room in the house in which they currently live. Live at Scottsdale, Mitch Carr, 12 News at 10.